going on? Welcome back.
We've made our way onto the lake and we got all the boat packed up.
Did all a bit of camping. So yeah, we did have a little troubles getting the motor on. Turns out I just didn't even put the safety thing on. But yeah, she's going now, so let's get into it. We're gonna do a bit of fishing first before we find a spot to set up camp. We're just gonna do a bit of trawling and then some bait fishing. Got some worms and yabbies. We'll find somewhere to do some fishing. So it's meant to be a bit cooler, which it is, but it's blowing a gale at the moment. Not the best fishing weather, but we'll see what happens. Alright, let's start chucking some lures on. Which one do you want? Yeah. Alright, Dad's putting Old Faithful on, and I'm going to put this little pink one with the yellow belly on it. And I've actually put a little soft plastic on my one. That's one of the ones I made. And I reckon I might actually put some scent on that soft plastic. See if that helps any. Right. There's Dad's lure. I'll chuck mine in on the other side. Just gonna trawl around this point around here. And hopefully it's a bit less windy on the other side, but we'll see what happens. There we go, she's in. Yep, sounder on. You ready to go camping here, though? Yeah. Well, it's a lot smoother just trawling. But we had to make it over here. So it is a little bit better on this side, but still might be challenging to do some bait fishing, so we might just leave that for on the bank. So many eagles in here, eh? That's where they're all hanging out. Some of these waves has at least got to be at least like 4 foot, eh? Still trying to find the fish though. So it looks pretty calm behind this little island here, so I reckon if we're going to bait fish, that's going to be our chance to bait fish. We'll pop right in behind it. No, perfect. I'm using one of these smaller yabbies, I reckon. We do have a little bit bigger size, but I'm going to use the smaller ones first. Dad wants worms. How deep is it? About 7?
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Yeah. Alright, Mr. Yabby. Let's get you in. I'll drop him right here. Dad just got absolutely smashed. Broke him off straight away.
Probably a big carp.
Yeah, I reckon. The worms. That's onto a fish here. Just on those worms. Is he alright? Yeah, he's actually pulling. Let's go. I'm just jigging this blade at this tree. You want a net? Little carp, I think. I reckon that's what I seen. Little carp?
Lift him in or?
Yeah, lift him in. No, he's not a redfin, but he's a fish. There we go. Yeah, that's why they go on the worms and not the yabbies. Hopefully we can get on to something we can eat. Yeah, that's a start though. Carpio. See you later, mate. Nah, no good. Keep on moving. Might start trawling again if there's no other spot out the wind.
So the day's getting on a little bit. So I reckon we're just gonna have another little bit of a bait fish and find a spot to set up camp. Oh, Elo's in. Yeah, I'm gonna jump out the front. I won't do what Elo did. Yep.
Turn that on. That's what he wanted.
Yep, he's running around. I think we might have found our camping spot. It's flat here. And we're to set up camp where it's flat. So we're not sleeping on an angle. Yeah, it's pretty flat up here. Alright, so that spot looked like a very nice spot to camp, but Dad stumbled across some 1080 poison. We're just gonna head down and see if we can find another spot. Getting dark too. I think this spot's as good as any. But we're gonna have to work fast to get this camp set up. Sun is definitely gone behind that hill. It's gonna be dark here pretty quick. Land ho!
That's pretty flat here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Ah. Well, that's our swag set up. Now I reckon we'll do a fire. It's pretty chilly. Got it all set up. And that fire is nice and warm. What do you reckon, Elo? How good? How good? Hello. I reckon we start making something to eat. I am hungry. Got a couple rods there. Place the bell's pretty far down. If it's windy and it's just on the end, you just hear bells non-stop. Yeah, we should know if anything's on. How good's this fire? Placed it right next to the water, so if any embers fly off, they fly straight into the water. And we're just going to keep it pretty small.
To the top.
A little bit more. Yep. Wish I bring me spoon though. Oh, that is good.
It smells good.
It is good. Wow.
It's breakfast up tomorrow or something.
Had a bit of bad luck today, haven't we? Every time I said, well, it can only get better from here, something else went wrong. No fish. Lost a few lures to some snags. Lost a snag retriever pole.
Keep wanting you should.
Just the weather in general has just been too windy to fish. Might be crazy, but I've enjoyed it.
Really?
Cracked around the tree.
Is it?
Wrapped off.
Should be a carp.
Yeah. So close, but so far. I held him for a little bit, but ended up wrapping around a tree. Ah, it was good. Oh, they're on fire. Yeah, probably. That's the fat in them. That's the fat coming out. Whoa! He's on. Focus on the bottom. Sure. Oh, look at that. Lamb chops and corn. That most of the flavour.
I know.
Chops. Oh, that's so good. There we go, the moon's finally out. Definitely see a lot more without the lights. It's not pitch black anymore. Good. I think we're just gonna chill around the fire, listen for these rods. I hope we can have more luck tomorrow for the fishing, but see what happens.
Nice bingo.
And hopefully the wind goes. The wind just makes everything 10 times harder to do, more messy. A fish on here, I think it's a carp. Holy moly.
Carp?
I think so. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's just taken off.
Decent size.
It still is. Nah, pretty small, but a lot of fun on this rod. Holy moly. Get him in. Whoa.
Big swim.
Trying.
I'll have to lift it up here and break it.
There we go. I'm on the board.
Worms.
Yeah. You absolutely swallowed that too. Look at that.
Sandy carp.
Yep. Sandy carp. Alright, let's get rid of him. You in bed? Yeah, good night. Good night, boy. It's pretty late, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see yous in the morning.
Good morning.
Oh, look at this. It's glassy at the moment. Hopefully it stays like that when we're fishing. Yeah, it got to about 9 degrees last night, but my 0 degree sleeping bag, I was very warm. There's a few kangaroos that came down last night. Nilo was on watch. He knew they were there. Let's get some breakfast going. I reckon. Elo, come on.
Bit of chicken breast. You want it? Oh yeah. He's taking it away. Nope. That's good. Has a bit of smoky flavour to it. Alright, I guess we'll get packed up, do a bit of fishing. Everything's all packed up. Time to go for a fish, I reckon. Probably like a quarter. There's just enough in there for now. We've got this full tank anyways. Absolutely beautiful at the moment. Way different to yesterday. Yabbies on and do a few drifts around, see if we can find any fish. Yep. Absolutely nothing on bait. We might even just start trawling soon. What is that? Is it a pipe? Someone's pump come loose. It's broken actually. Right in the middle. Alright, I think we're gonna start trawling. We'll get some rods in. Pink orgy. Old Faithful. I got the green Predator with the soft plastic on top. Well, since the cold weather change, it must have shut down the fish. This lake has been a bit of a test tank this year though. Let's see what happens. I think I'm onto a fish here. Whatever it is, it's not fighting. There's definitely something on there. There's something on here. It's not fighting at all. No, there's a fish on. Yeah. Cod. Yeah. Yeah, we'll net him. Oh, let's go. I seen, I was like, hang on a second, something's on here. He's a nice looking one for the lake too. See him? Oh, he might be. He's wrapped around his head. That's why he felt like he wasn't pulling. Here we go. Wait. He's running. Still running. Nah, got it. Tighten the drag. Still running. I reckon he's untangled himself. There we go. Yes, we worked for him. Oh, look at him. Beautiful little one.
He's good nick too.
Yeah, he is good nick, isn't he? 100%. There we go. Look at that beauty.
He's a nice kid.
He is a big. I was expecting to see all those red sores on him.
He's got a couple, but not bad.
Yeah.
He'd be about 50.
Yeah, he's 50. Not quite big enough to eat.
No, we've made the day anyways.
Yeah. Have a look at that. I'm keen. Now. Alright, buddy. And he's gone. See you later. Let's go.
Just go to the show, not trawling too quick.
No. Perfect. Alright, let's go back to bait. Onto a tiny fish here. Yours looks a bit bigger. Tiny? Same as this. Yeah. Fish fingers.
Not even a fish finger in there.
Nah, you won't. Look at those. Yeah. They were still here, would have fed it to them. Yeah, they're gone. Send them back. I think it's time we start heading back to the boat ramp. Couldn't really get onto any good sized rigs for a feed, but still got that cod, which is good. Starting to blow up a little bit again too.
Alright, well it's been nice and what a good time we've had. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not check out some of the other ones, and I'll see ya in the next one.